How to fix headphones not working on Windows 11. So if you want to fix the problem, or if you want to fix the earphones or headphones not working on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is simply right click in the start icon, and then you can go for settings. And at the left hand side, you will have all of these options. So you can click on the system settings, go for the second option, which has the system option. And under your system, you need to simply scroll down and you need to simply go for the about section, which is on the last of your screen. So once you're here on the about, you can simply scroll all the way down. And under your about section, you may have an option to go for advanced system settings. So go for advanced system settings, and then a new window will appear like this on your screen. And here you need to go for hardware, and under your hardware you will have device installation settings. Click on that, and here if you have selected no, then you can keep it no, or if you have not selected, then you can select the no option, and then you need to go for save changes. And once you click on save changes, you need to click on OK. And now once this is done, you need to remove that, and then you can go for the search icon and you can search for services, and then you will have this kind of interface where you can simply select any one of the server, and then you can type P, and once you've typed P, it will take you to the P services. So here we need to look for performance logs and alert. So here we have the performance logs and alert. You can simply click on it. Then you need to make sure that it is manual or automatic. So do a right click, and then you can go for properties. And here from the startup type, you need to select automatic. So if you have that to manual, you can select automatic. And once you've selected automatic, you need to simply click on apply and then OK. And now you need to again right click on it, and then you will have start option. Click on start, and once this is done, the final step is to right click on the Windows icon and then go to device manager. And here under the device manager, here we have the sound, video and game controllers. Click on that, and here you may have an audio driver. So you need to simply click on the audio driver. You can simply right click on your audio driver, and you can simply go for the update driver. So you can click on the update drivers, and then you can go for the search automatically for drivers if you don't have your drivers, or you can browse your computer for drivers. You can click on the first, go for close. So see what exactly you have here. If you have the Realtek audio driver, and just do a right click on that and click on the update driver and click on the search automatically for drivers. Same for if you see your device right here, just like me, like you're seeing the rockers or any other device. Just what you need to do is simply go for the driver and you need to install, and then just do a right click and disable it, and then you need to enable it. So in this manner, you will actually refresh the service. You need to simply go for the disable, and then you need to uninstall, and then you need to again install the driver, and by that you will refresh the service. And once you refresh, your problem will be fixed. And that's it. That's how you can fix your earphones or headphones not working on Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.